Hello everyone, myself Anuja Parab, my colleagues Karishma Nanori and Pranjali Pandey are going to share some interesting information about Bluetooth. We have been using Bluetooth from several years and there is no doubt it makes our life simple. Let us start with the basic definition of the Bluetooth. Bluetooth technology is a short-range communication technology which is simple, secure and everywhere. The key features of Bluetooth are robustness, low power and low cost. In late 90s, many companies were looking forward to standardize short-range wireless technology. Companies like Ericsson, Nokia, Intel, Toshiba, IBM used many names for the same technology. It became apparent the need to have a single name. In December 1996, a special interest group, that is SIG, was figured. SIG adopted the name Bluetooth as a tribute to 10th century Viking king Harald Blatant. This Danish king had peacefully united numerous small kingdoms that were working under different rules, same as done in Bluetooth technology. The name Bluetooth was a nickname to Harald Blatant as he liked to eat blueberries, which gave his teeth the blue coloration. The symbol is famous as it has a very interesting origin. The logo combines the representation of Nordic rune letter Hagels, that is represented by H, and Bakana, that is represented by B, in the same symbol. This is HB, like Harald Blatant. Bluetooth defines two types of networks, Piconet and Scatternet. Piconet. A Bluetooth network is called a piconet or a small net. A piconet can have up to 8 stations, one of which is called primary and the rest are called secondaries. All the secondary stations synchronize their clocks and hopping sequence with the primary. Note that piconet can have only one primary station. The communication between the primary and the secondary can be one-to-one or one-to-many. Scatternet. Piconets can be combined to form what is called a scatternet. A secondary station in one piconet can be the primary in another piconet. The stations can receive messages from the primary in the first piconet and, acting as primary, deliver them to secondaries in the second piconet. A station can be a member of two piconets. Bluetooth communicates on frequency of 2.45 GHz. This band has been set aside by international agreement for the use of industrial, scientific and medical devices, that is ISM. FHSS is a method for signal generation in 2.45 GHz ISM band. Frequency hopping spread spectrum (FHSS) is a method of transmitting radio signals by rapidly switching a carrier among many frequency channels using pseudo-random sequence known to both transmitter and receiver. The band is divided into 79 sub-bands of 1 MHz. In FHSS, the sender and receiver agree on the sequence of allocated bands. Bluetooth hops 1600 times per second. A device uses a frequency for only 625 microseconds before it hops to another frequency. That is, the dwell time is 625 microseconds. Bluetooth uses a form of TDMA that is called time division duplex TDMA. It is a kind of half duplex communication in which the secondary and receiver send and receive data but not at the same time. However, the communication for each direction uses different hops. This is similar to walkie-talkies using different carrier frequencies. Single secondary communication. If piconet has only one secondary, the TDMA operation is very simple. The time is divided into slots of 625 microseconds. The primary uses even numbered slots and the secondary uses odd numbered slots. Time division duplex TDMA allows primary and secondary to communicate in half duplex mode. In slot 0, the primary sends and the secondary receives. In slot 1, the secondary sends and the primary receives. The cycle is repeated. Figure shows the concept. Multiple secondary communication. The process is a little more involved if there is more than one secondary in the piconet. Again, the primary uses even numbered slots, but a secondary sends in the next odd numbered slot if the packet in the previous slot was addressed to it. All secondaries listen on even numbered slot, but only one secondary sends in any odd numbered slot. The figure shows the concept. In slot 0, the primary sends a frame to secondary 1. In slot 1, only secondary 1 sends a frame to primary because previous frame was addressed to secondary 1. Other secondaries are silent. In slot 2, the primary sends frame to secondary 2. In slot 3, the secondary 2 sends a frame to the primary because the previous frame was addressed to secondary 2. Other secondaries are silent. The cycle continues.